live alone your whole life. That is why marriage is important.
Swami Vivekananda and Atal Bihari Vajpayee, they all haven't get married, but they are still, we all are remembered because of their remarkable work.
And if I were to tell you, a polygamy is increasing day by day in not India, worldwide.
If you want to live happy life, you need life partner.
We should not marry. It is a better option for our populations and our nation too.
Hey Elite! Hi! Guys, today we are sitting in a group and we are going to have Discord discussion. In this discussion, I simply want you to place your opinion over a topic. One should get married or not. And simply place your opinion and let's see what exactly people think. So here we go.
Well, what's my opinion on over this? Before sharing my opinion, I would like to tell you something. The concept of marriage, it's not much old. It is just a 1 or 2 century oldest concept. But before it, we having a life, we all are gathering it, we all are doing the things. But marriage is not. What I contemplate, one should not get married because after getting married, we have to look many conflicts, many problems, and many more things. And about if you people will say that how country will run, and there are many more things about once and all. These kind of stuff used to run when we don't have a concept of marriage. So that's why what I contemplate, we should not go for it.
Okay, what I contemplate, Akash bhai and me in same page. I really believe marriage should be not allowed because, as you know, there are some consequences we are suffering right now. The first reason is just fighting between husband and wife. That conflict take a huge problem in our society and family too. If we should not marry, it is a better option for our populations and our nation too, and upcoming generation. Because we can see India is a populated country and we have peoples who are present right now. If we increasing our population just do marry and just do when in Rome, so it is not a good option for us. That's why we should not marry.
Moreover, I believe that only that we should not marry because after marriage we have a lot of responsibilities. And moreover, you can see the many kind of cases of love marriage and arranged marriage too. And if the person is have that a cage in between a cage of responsibility, so how the person get explore the whole over the world and many kind of things. And because of marriage we have that only like to wake up early and doing a job and come and eat a dinner and we say sleep. These kind of things are having at this only in marriage. That's why what I believe it should not be there. We should not do marriage.
Marriage is something where you get life partner. And if you want to live happy life, you need life partner. At that time, you can share your pain, your thoughts, even everything with that partner. And at the time, you already solve your half problem. That's why marriage is important. Even as you mentioned, that population is increases day by day. So control birth. Birth rate, if you control birth rate, population is already decreases. So population is not the reason of marriage.
I want to take some name of who is a successful person, like Atal Bihari Vajpayee and many more. Do you know what is behind it? They haven't get married, where they have time to ourselves, where they can know who is there, and they can find themselves in a better possible way, and they can grow themselves in a better possible ways. See, I'm not against of marriage and even I'm not favor. But what I want to say here, that if you get not married, so you will get to know that much time where you get explore yourself only. Because being a human, it's our responsibility when we come on the earth. We must know what is our purpose to come here and who we are, and all those stuff we must to know. But because of the societal responsibility and many more things, we forget ourselves. We don't know who I am and why we are here and what should I do. These all are the stuffs. So that's why it is one of the most reason that we should not get married.
A lonely life is exciting till a limited extent. You cannot live alone your whole life. That is why marriage is important. But I feel that a lonely life leads to mental stress and lack of emotional support. But once you are married, you have that emotional support because your partner is there with you always. You know that you have a constant person along with you whom you are going to share everything, live along with that person, and explore the world. It is exciting to explore yourself, but you cannot do it your whole life. That is why I don't agree to that point. And once you are alone, you have all the responsibility of your life, of your home, of everything. But once you are married, you have your partner, you balance your life, you distribute all the responsibility with each other, and this balanced life is, I think, a happy life.
Swami Vivekananda and Atal Bihari Vajpayee, they all haven't get married, but they are still, we all are remembered because of their remarkable work and remarkable thoughts. And they are living life with a goodness. So it doesn't mean, it doesn't think.
Okay, so what I personally contemplate that one should get married. Why? Because at a particular stage of life, we always need a partner. We feel lonely. It is not because you are lonely, but it is because you want somebody to be there for you. We know that our parents do not live with us forever. On that time, on that stage, we always need a partner. We always go towards a partner. As Yashashvi, you mentioned that when you get married, you are bounded with some few restrictions. But what I personally believe that once you get married, you are not restricted of few things. There should be some mutual understanding between your partners. If you are restricted not to go outside with your friends, with your anybody, with your best friend, with anybody,
I think
then
you have stated some of
then-
the wrong point that you should not mention, because restrictions are always there, and if you are married there are more restrictions over yourself, and if you are not aware, so there you can see some of the cases that you have seen, the people who got married where they are right now. So why to marry, why to risk your life? Just stay alone and stay connected with the world, your friends.
Okay, you can stay alone at least for 50 years or 40 years, but after few times we always need a partner, because this is a human nature. We cannot live alone. There are some exception case, we can talk about it, but the thing is that at a particular stage we always go towards a partner who understands at every single stage. We know that these days marriage is scary. Why? Because people kill each other. But this is not the reality of marriage. We need to understand. If there are some restriction on you, then you need to talk to your partner that why there is a restriction on me. If you can go outside, but why I can't? So what I personally believe, there should be some mutual understanding between your partners so that you can go anywhere you want. And if we talk about the trips and the family and all, so marriage doesn't mean that you have to carry your whole family. It means that you have to carry your partner, you have to understand your partner and go and move forward toward the life.
I would like to say that communication is very important in a relationship. If you are in a relationship, if you have any kind of problem with your partner, please share with them. Communicate with them. At that time, you already resolve your half of problems, and there is no restrictions in marriages, because the people who comes from ancient times, at that time we all know about mindset, people's mindset, that women should not go outside but men should go outside, and that's why the people who comes from old times, they set in their mind and these cases comes. But now the time is changes. As you can see, there is no restrictions in between couples. They can go outside in mid of night, in the day, every time what they want to do they can do, and there is freedom in their relationship. And sorry Akash, you already mentioned in your point some famous personalities who didn't marry, but there are also very famous personalities who are married and they are doing very well in their life, and they got freedom. And Shah Rukh Khan, as everyone, he's famous actor. If you can see, his marriage life is already good.
As we know that when we were teenagers, we used to think that I want to travel alone. But what if you travel with your partner? That would be so romantic and amazing too, adventurous too as well. You know what? Once you go outside with your partner, that helps you to reduce the stress. Not only stress, but that helps you to make a good bond with your partner. Why people are like divorced these days? Because there is no mutual understanding between them, and these things can be resolved once you start spending time with your partner. We know that divorce is not a big deal. it means that there is a separation between two partners. That's all. But what if it will increase?
Oh, well,
rapidly?
it has been long time and we cannot listen you much. See, in 21st century, we are living in 21st century, and in this era, people have got married only for the one purpose. That's sex. Except of sex, they don't have any reason to get marriage. And what I contemplate, this is not a thing which we should do because of the only one thing. Because after few days, start feeling boring of all those stuffs. See, about everything, you have an alternative. Like there's many people who have, we need a partner and partner and partner, but we don't need partner. Like we have been living our life without anyone, with our parents only. This is not make any sense to we need a partner after a particular life, and it doesn't make any sense, I guess.
Okay, I would like to say one thing, Akash Bhaiya. Marriage doesn't mean master bread. You are interested in master bread. Okay, marriage means you are in a relationship with the partner, and you have authorities to talk with her, to talk with him, and do whatever you want. It doesn't mean only sex only. Okay. And I would like to say one more thing, that if you are getting married because of the sex only, then that means you have a very bad intention with your partner. All it need to improve better mindset and mutual understanding.
Okay, I would like to say, Akash, as you mentioned about 21st century, I'm also in the same page that we are living in this 21st century, and in this century, the couples can be IPS officers together. May you not aware about 12th Fail movie. It's a biggest example of that a couple can do anything. And the second thing, you are talking about the freedom. In this 21st century, a woman can do anything. They are also earning a lot of money. It means that your partner will never gonna harm you. It will decrease your unnecessary burden in your life.
Well. I beg to differ you all of point. We are living a 21st century, and this century we had different type of traditional to marry. First, relationship. Second, love marriage. And second is that you can say polygamy and other different methods. We can see in hookup culture is going on. Everybody wants to get a different partner to get their satisfaction. And if I were to tell you, a polygamy is increasing day by day in not India, worldwide, in Asia, Europe, and South Africa and Australia. If I talk about Hindustan report, 33% is increasing in India. If I would like to tell you, Mumbai, Delhi, and some of the state of India are continuously increasing polygamy cases. There was a cases, there are two couples are married engineer because of they don't want to live that person who is different. They don't live a different partner, they want to live together. That's why they get married. And this is only one case. This is a life. What do you mean by love? Love is not like that to get attraction. Let me go in psychology. In psychology, we can see in our brain release a kind of hormones, dopamine, oxidation, and some of hormones who feel that we get attract someone and that we will feel love. This is not like this which you are thinking that we are wasting our time. Do you know why? Because if we get married, what the consequences will we suffer? Responsibility. The responsibility is a kind of burden we cannot fulfill just a year or just a month. It is kind of huge decision making with our parents and some other family members. It will take a big decision we should marry or not. It's a kind of connection of two lives. Do you know, if I would like to tell you in India, mostly 33% women are getting divorced. Reason behind it, they want to get married. After they want to get married, they want money. In behalf of that money, they can live the luxury life. That's why, example, Microsoft, how the Microsoft engineer are getting divorced because of this reason, because they have high package salary. That I really person that we should not marry, we should focus our career and ambition, and that's why it's a better option, I believe.
Responsibilities occurs once you have kids. But just end it now. If you are not able to handle the kids, just end it. If you want to live with your partner, just live it. But don't give birth to a child if you cannot handle. Responsibility is myth. If you have a clear mindset that you want to make your family happy, whether you have kids or not. But it depends up to you whether you want kid or not. You can adopt it. If you can't handle it, just end it. it's all up to you. And I would say that responsibility is something that makes you mature as well. Responsibility is not something that give you burden. First of all, responsibility is not burden, guys. Responsibility is something that make you understand that what exactly you need to do in every aspect. Once you get married, then you have a responsibilities to make your partner happy every single time. It's your responsibility not to hurt her. That's all. Responsibility is nothing. Responsibility doesn't say that you have to manage kids as well, your family as well. It says something that what exactly you need to do in the situation where it needs.
We are at the end of this topic. We have discussed several of the points that we all mentioned. And now concluding all of the points, what I contemplate that marriage and not getting married is up to the person. Both sides we have some of the problems. There are some of the enjoyment, some of the movement that we create. If we would marry, we would create moments with our family. We would create moments with our own kids, our wife, our family. We would see happiness among our family. If we won't get married, so we would enjoy our time with our friends and all. And what's the better way? You can get married and it's up to you. And but at the last I would say getting married would give you a different experience that you haven't go through all the things.